Howdy folks, welcome to our solo event. We have no Graydon today. Everybody say we miss you Graydon in the comments down below. If you like this point of view video, please like and subscribe. We're going to be helping out the hockey team tonight by doing some snow cones here at their equipment trade event. Should be a fun time. Let's have a great time. Like and subscribe. Howdy there, what can we get for you?
I got a medium shark attack.
One medium shark attack, sounds great. Anything else for you?
No, thank you.
No problem. Here, let's get your card ready. Tap right there on the bottom. Hey, I got a check mark. Good job. Yeah, let's go. It's always exciting when you get to spend your parents' money, right? That's awesome. There we go. And where are the rest of my sharks for tonight? There we are. One medium shark attack.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day. Well, what looks the best for you? What can we get you?
I was just looking at some stuff right now.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Perfect. All right, what can we get you?
Let's get a medium blue raspberry and lemon lime.
Medium blue raspberry lemon lime. Sounds good. Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
All right, perfect. $5.78. Let me get you your change. You guys coming for the hockey swap or what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Find any treasures yet or no?
No, not quite.
No?
I'm really looking for stuff here.
Okay, I got you. Medium blue raspberry lemon lime. There you go. Have a great rest of your day. We have all of our drinks, all of our snow cones, and our chocolate covered strawberries tonight.
Okay.
Yep, you can pick up to 3 flavors on the same snow cone. All right, which ones can we make for you?
What's your size difference?
Yeah, sure. So this here is a small. We pile it up about this big. This is a medium. We pile it up about the same amount. And then our large is about the same size as your head. We go really big with it.
Okay. Oh,
That would be one of the cups there.
they'll just they'll just do a small.
Sure. How many flavors on the small?
She wants 3.
What flavors would you like?
Strawberry, blue raspberry, and grapefruit.
Perfect. Sounds great to me.
And then he'll get a small chocolate.
Sweet. One small chocoholic coming up. Anything else for you guys tonight? We do have lemonade, iced coffees.
I'm good, thank you.
No problem. $9.45.
We were on our way home.
Oh, fair enough.
Saw you here.
I know, I'm so sorry. There we go. Oh no, where'd my chocolate chips go? What? Oh, they're down here. Hold on. Never lose the chocolate chips, folks. Okay. a little bit of birthday cake right here down the middle. Here's our blue raspberry strawberry birthday cake. There you go. And our chocoholic. Let's go. One chocoholic. There you go.
What do you say, Noah? I have no idea.
You are welcome. Thanks for swinging by, folks.
Yeah,
Have a great day. Everything on the menu tonight. I do have my chocolate strawberries ready to go, if you're interested.
I don't know what I want. I'm thirsty.
Okay.
I know that I want popping boba, but I don't know what I want.
Do you want to be caffeinated? A good question, right?
Do I want to be? Yes. Should I be? Probably not.
Well, the boba tea is caffeinated.
Yeah.
It's a green tea matcha mix. And the boba tea goes great with popping boba, if you didn't know. So, works out well. But if you just want the sugar, the lemonade works great with the boba too.
So like Italian soda is like fizzy, right?
That's correct.
I like fizzy.
Okay,
Okay, so I'll do an Italian soda.
sure. Regular or large?
Let's do large.
Large coming up.
What do you have for flavors? Like
Any one of the 20.
Any of those ones?
Any one of these 20. My personal favorite, going with a root beer flavor and then adding in the sweet cream, it makes it very much like a root beer float.
Yes, please.
Cubed ice or shaved ice.
Cubed.
And for the with the boba, you could do strawberry boba.
Need strawberry.
Yeah, that's probably the closest thing for root beer. Just to make sure. Root beer, Italian soda, we're going with the large.
Yeah.
Cubed ice, strawberry boba, sweet cream.
Yes.
Amazing. $9.45. Oh,
You want a shark attack? Do you have another circle? You're gonna have the circle? Okay, she'll have a shark attack.
sweet. Small, medium, or large.
Sure. I don't know if you want one.
Okay. So for that and the drink, it's $16.80.
Get it, please.
No problem. That's free whenever you want it next time.
You?
All right, and yeah, just press the button there. You should be good to go. Awesome. Find any good trades this evening yet?
Yeah, we got some. What are they called?
Ooh, okay, some nice shin pads.
Pads and apple pads.
Ooh, good stuff.
Get rid of some apple pads.
Okay, nice. That's probably half the bonus of coming and doing something like this is getting rid of all the old stuff, right? 100%. There we are. Amazing. Here's our medium shark attack. There you go. And then our root beer here.
There we go.
Good stuff. Let's see, got my sweet cream, got some of this here. Amazing. How long have you guys been doing hockey for?
This will be our 4th year.
Okay.
Yeah.
The seasoned pros. One step away.
More to learn.
Every year there's one. Woo! Nice. You definitely got. There we go.
It's fun though. It's a lot more fun than I expected it to be.
Oh, okay. Awesome. That's great. There we go. Here's our root beer float. The sweet cream popped open.
Oh,
I grabbed it. So there you go.
thank you.
Amazing. Have a great rest of your day. And this is why you make sure you buy very nice and tightly held together caps on your squirt bottles. Dang it. All right, let me clean this up before the next customer.
Lemon and lime.
Yep, that's fine. Lemon and lime isn't sour.
Okay.
So lemon and lime.
Okay. Or you can do like a small with 3 flavors.
I think just a medium.
Okay, we're gonna go with a medium with 1 flavor.
Yeah.
And we're gonna say lemon lime.
Yeah.
Beauty, I like it.
We'll do that.
$5 even then. There's the budget. Perfect. Awesome. Coming right up. There we go, 1 medium lemon lime.
Thank you.
Awesome, no problem. That is a popular one. We brought it out this year, so if you want to try it.
Is it good?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
We'll do the sour apple.
Okay, we're gonna do the sour apple. Coming up. Okay. Sour apple it is. Let's try it. Little comb busted. Dang it. Are you guys sharing this one? Yeah. All right, I'll give you an extra straw then. There you go. 1 sour apple.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good night. All right, sounds great. Perfect. So you can pick any one flavor off the menu. Which one looks the best? Let's do it. 1 medium blue raspberry coming up. Awesome. It'll be ready in 1 second for you. There's a little spoon on the bottom of your straw. There you go. Howdy folks, Editing Caleb here. Thank you again for watching another one of our POV videos. We really appreciate the support these videos have been getting. If you like the video that you just saw, please like and subscribe down below. We're very interested in making more content for you folks, and we want to know what content you enjoy. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, comment down below what you thought the best item was that we made in the video, and we will be seeing you in the next one. See you later.